Hey guys, this is AK Sinha and you are watching Prep India. Change the learning way. Today we will discuss about the Indian economy. So in the Indian economy, first of all we need to discuss about the basic term economics and economy. So what is economics and what is economy? So what is the benefits of these ones in the economics? So what is economics? That means it is nothing but a branch of knowledge so concerned with the productions, consumption and transfer of wealth or distributions. So these are the three terms which are very important. We know we should know about this means what are the productions, what's the consumptions and what is the meaning of distributions. So first of all, what is economics? So this is the definition, but is not a this is only definition. There is many of definitions by many economists. So economics is the study of how goods and services are produced, distributed and consumed, as well as we know the science of scarcity. Okay, the science of scarcity. So first of all, we should know about the productions. What is the meaning of productions? So productions, that means first we erase this one. Now what is the meaning of productions? Productions means the making or growing of something. The making or growing of something, that is making and growing. Making and growing of something in the economic activities, but in large quantities. So we know the making or growing of something in large quantities. And the economic activities that aim directly or indirectly to satisfy human wants and needs. Okay, so human wants and needs, directly satisfied human wants and needs. Human wants and needs. So these are the productions. Now we should talk about the consumption. So consumption, this means something uses, the act of using, buy and using something. Act of using. Act of using. Please listen carefully because some problem in writing. So consumption is something uses, the act of using, buy and using something. Example, we should take example as eating a snack and some cookies. A snack and some cookies also we take. Uh, in the production sector also we take this example because when produce snacks then we'll also use consumption. Now the term is the distribution or transfer of wealth. So in this term, what is the meaning of this one? Distribution. Distribution is the act of giving or transporting something to a number of people. Act of giving or transporting something to a number of people or place. Okay, So in this section, the spread the productions throughout the marketplace. Spread the productions throughout the marketplace. So and the maximum opportunity to buy it in the sections of the consumption side. So maximum opportunity to buy it. When productions, then distribution and the consumption. Third. So first we will produce, second we will distribute, and third we will consume. So these are the three words. We got it? Let's move. Also, it is the science of scarcity, the study of how goods and services are produced, distributed, and consumed. So, we know the meaning of production, distributions, and consumption. So, this is the science of scarcity. Scarcity means the resources scarcity. Okay, resources scarcity, that means the resources are always in short supply. Resources are always in short supply. Now third, now what is the economy? First we learn that what is economics. Now what is economy? So economy means the state of country or region. Okay, state of country or region, state of country or region, state of country or region in terms of the production and consumption of goods and services, and the supply of money also. So here is also the term production and consumption of goods and services and the supply of money. So region wise economy called with the country, that means the nation name. Region wise economy called with a country and the nation name, that means the Indian economy, okay, the Russian economy, and the French economy also. So these are the part of economy. What learned in this? The Indian economy and the French economy, these are the countries names after the economy name. Region wise economy, so these are called region wise economy or country or region in terms of the production and consumption. Okay, now we should go in the next one, the difference or relation between the economics and the economy, and the relations between the difference between economics and economy, both are the same. So we need to describe in the economy also in the terms, that means the study of how societies use scarce resources to produce valuable commodities and distribute them among different people. So because resources and goods are scarce, that means the society must use its resource efficiently. Okay, resources must be used efficiently. The fact of scarcity and the desire for efficiency. So economics in the term, that means the theoretical term, it is the theoretical term, and economy in sector, this is the practical, that means the practice, that means the practical. Okay, So when we are talking about the economics, these are the theoretical term, and the economy, these are the practical term. That means the nation-wise or region-wise term, the Indian economy, Russian economy, Chinese economy. So these are the different economy. So nation-wise economy, region-wise economy. Now the economic behavior of human beings. So in the economic section, the human beings behavior. What's the economic behavior of human beings? And the Indian economy, or the any name-wise economy or region-wise economy, the steel frame picture. That means the always is the, it's based on the nation-wise. Okay, and the theory of market employment in the economic section. So and real picture of the things which emerge in the economy, not economics, in the economy. Okay, so real picture in the economy and the theoretical term in the economics. Okay, so now we should move in the next slide. We will discuss now. We discuss the economy when combined all the sector called economy. When combined all the sector called economy. And which sector? That means the agriculture sector, the services and the industry. These are the primary, secondary and tertiary sector, and all sectors combined called economy. There is a vital issues. There is a vital issues. There is a three vital issues. That means three vital issues. First is the growth, and second is inclusive, third is the stability. So we need to three vital issues for the economy, and there is always. So when combined all the sector called economy, and these are the three sectors: agriculture, services and industry. So these are the three sectors. Now the growth. What is the meaning of growth, and what is the meaning of inclusive, and what is the meaning of stability? So we know it that growth, it refers to increase in the country's capacity to produce the output of goods and services within the country. So what is capacity? Increase the country's capacity. Increase the country's capacity. So increase country's capacity to produce the output of goods and services within the country. It is the largest stock of productive capital. Now inclusive. So to increase the growth in every section. Okay, so inclusive, that means to increase the growth in the every section. Okay, so to increase the growth in every section, please listen careful, because there is something problem in the writing. Now third, the stability, and stability is very important, because any economy stability will show. Economy should show stability. Our economy is stable. Without stability, very dangerous for the economy. So now we will discuss in detail in the next slide or next class. So these are the today's topics, and today we will discuss about this one. Thank you.